Hello everyone! Welcome back to another week of Play Break. This week the focus is back on fine motor movement. The activity will be lacing. The activity of lacing provides young children opportunities to practice various skills. Those skills being hand-eye coordination, patience, and creativity. For this activity, there is some parental preparation needed to make lacing cards. To do so, you'll need some sort of cardboard cardstock or cardboard food packaging to make your lacing cards. You'll need some tools like a hole punch, scissors, pencil, eraser, and ruler to measure the holes. And for the lacing part, you'll need some yarn, ribbon, or string for the children to weave through. And that's a wrap for another week of Play Break. I had fun today creating my own lacing art. In fact, I think these are going to make some pretty interesting bookmarks. I would love to see what sort of lacing art you create by sharing it on Instagram using the hashtag KFPLPlayBreak. Until next time, happy playing!